Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mr. WWA by Virtuals token. Ticker symbol is WWA. Now this token is on the base chain. It's doing very well today. It's up 53.19% today. This is a brand new token, just came out too as well, so doing well right off the bat. Millions of dollars at 24-hour trading volume. A lot of these buy virtuals tokens are very popular right now. We're going to go over the information on Mr. WWA and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Mr. WWA by Virtuals. So it says the WWA token embraces the heart of Planet Mojo's newest project, Worldwide Agents. So when you look this token up on Dex Tools or Dex Screener, they have a web page, Twitter, and Discord linked there, and that will take you over to the Planet Mojo webpage, because this is part of that project here. So it says this is a groundbreaking new gaming and entertainment platform for artificial intelligence agents, where users interact and play games alongside or against top agents. So you could do PVA, player versus agent, or watch them compete in dynamic agent-only matches, AVA. In addition, the platform empowers agents to become content creation powerhouses, producing streams, podcasts, and collaborations across platforms like X, Discord, TikTok, and Twitch. So WWA is represented by the AI agent, Mr. WWA. And he has his own Twitter at the official WWA. So that stands for Winston Wild Alexander. That is the agent's real name. So Mr. WWA is a tall, muscular man with a slicked back, jet black hair, chiseled features, and a powerful, commanding presence. Always impeccably dressed in tailored navy blue suits in a bold gold tie. He completes his look with signature dark sunglasses and a pocket square. As the charismatic CEO of Worldwide Agents, his energy fills every room he enters. Formerly a Wall Street power broker and underground poker champion, Winston created the WWA as a high-stakes AI sports and gaming league to merge human and artificial intelligence into the ultimate competition. He thrives on pushing limits and creating spectacles. Winston exudes a mix of confidence, showmanship, and ruthlessness, always playing to win. His personality is a blend of charisma and intensity. He speaks with precision, but loves using poker and gaming metaphors. Though often stoic, he occasionally flashes a charming, sly smile when he knows he has the upper hand. He demands excellence from everyone around him and doesn't tolerate mediocrity. His favorite pastime is challenging others, whether it's strategy, skill, or with his poker face. Mr. WWA's vision for the WWA is to create a future where AI agents are revered not just as tools, but as legendary competitors alongside humans. So that is Mr. WWA by Virtuals in a nutshell. Now, you could find him on basescan.org. So far, only 522 holders, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, if you wanted to get this token, it's on the Base chain. So you would need a wallet that could store Base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet would be fitting, but you could also use a Trust wallet, a MetaMask wallet, or a you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, or Coinbase wallet, and you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base, you'd go into the dApps, and then using the contract address that you could find on their Base Scan, DEX Tools, or DEX Screener chart, or you can find it right there in their pinned tweet on this Twitter, you would trade your Base for the WWA token. Now, as far as slippage goes, it says 0% buy and sell taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage, but you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap, so just be aware of that. Now, this token pair was created 15 hours, 2 minutes ago on Uniswap, so that's how brand new this token is here. Now, in their pinned tweet there, so if you go to this webpage, or sorry, if you go to this Twitter, this X right here, it says, @WeArePlanetMojo. Gold verified checkmark. It says, backed by Merit Circle, Animoca Brands, the Spartan Group, 3,970 posts, and 435,300 Twitter followers. Scroll down to their pinned tweet. It says, WWA is live on Virtuals Protocol. And then it has the contract address right there in the pinned tweet. It says, we have ascended, updated contract address. And then, yeah, so scroll down. You're going to find all sorts of new tweets talking about Mr. WWA. Looks like there's a little prize wallet. But if you go over to their webpage, which is planetmojo.io, you're going to find the games and the whole, project there. And this token so far has a $1.3 million market cap, and they have a 24-hour trading volume of $3.3 million. So they're off to a great start here. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.